Is your T-Mobile REVVL V Plus stuck on the loading screen? This often appears as a repeating T-Mobile logo or animation. This issue is common on older phones like the REVVL V Plus and is usually due to software glitches. The quickest fix is a force reboot. To do this, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates and restarts. This clears temporary memory issues and often resolves the problem without losing any data. A force reboot resets the system state, resolving transient errors. If this doesn't work, move on to the next step. If a force reboot didn't solve the problem, try wiping the cache partition. The cache stores temporary data to speed up apps, but corrupted files here can cause boot issues. To wipe it, first power off your phone. Then, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously to enter recovery mode. You'll see the Android System Recovery screen with options like Reboot System Now and Apply Update from ADB. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and the power button to select it. You'll see the menu with Wipe Cache Partition highlighted. Confirm the action and wait for the process to complete. This will not delete your apps or data. Reboot your phone after wiping the cache. This removes faulty temporary files, preventing repeated loops. This is often enough to get your phone working again. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset or seeking professional help.